Hi everybody, so today we're trying something new, and if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, well, you can let me know that too, but I may still do them. What we're doing today is we're doing channel shoutouts. It's a new series I would like to try out and see if everybody likes it. And again, this is a drone channel. Even though I put up some other business type channels, this is a drone channel to the core. And today we're going to talk about a wonderful guy, young kid actually, who's extremely talented. And I want to talk about Owen's Drones. My name is Brad, and I do a drone video every single week, and we also do live streams every single Wednesday. If you'd like to see that, make sure you click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button to get notifications in your inbox. Let's get to this. Let's talk about Owen's Drones. Owen is a wonderful young man out in the UK who's really just pumping away videos as best as he can. He's going to school, he's trying to do drone videos, he's a hard worker. But the most important thing is this kid is talented. I've had him on the channel before. We talk about him on the live streams. He comes in and gives people crap on the live streams. And I got to tell you, he's pretty good at flinging the crap. Oh my gosh. Definitely he's a fun individual. I enjoy talking to him. But what I want you to do is I want you to look at this kid's talent. Check out his channel on Owen's Drones. I'm going to leave links. There's going to be here. It's going to be here. I'm going to show some of his videos on here. A little story about Owen's Drones is a little frustrating to him, and I want to help him out because, again, I think he's got a lot of great talent. When YouTube changed their criteria for allowing to be monetized videos, that very day was the day Owen met the previous qualifications of 10,000 views. He had just met that. He's like, cool, I can monetize. No, you can't. Very frustrating. He and I texted each other, or Facebook, whatever. I think it was Facebook. I don't know. Anyway, we talked to each other a little bit. And, you know, I don't think he was extremely discouraged, but I could tell he was frustrated. It was a very big frustration. And he's got the talent, and I want him to make more videos. And this is kind of a shout out to him to hopefully boost his audience. But I also want him to know that we are all out there. He's got the talent. I mean, he's a teenager. And he's doing stuff that some of us old guys can't do. He knows how to make good films. He knows how to edit. He's got the right mindset for editing. He's got the right set for storytelling. Check out his channel. Make sure you know, let him know that I sent you, just so that I know he'll feel the love. Anyway, check out his channel. The links, wherever the links are, we'll see. And of course, if you have something great to say about Owen, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to his channel and share this video amongst other people who you think should find his channel, or share his channel. That's even better. And make sure you like the video on this. Make sure you like my video and his. And until next time, I want everybody to fly safe and bye.